Hey everyone, it's Jen with Surviving Teaching Online, and I'm going to quickly do a demonstration video on how to add an app, specifically Flipgrid for educators, to Microsoft Teams. So step one is we have to start by creating our Flipgrid. So if you go to Flipgrid's educational site, you can create a Flipgrid setting for education. So when you log in and you create your account, you can add a class. I'm sure there's lots of Flipgrid videos. The point of this is just to how to link it to our Teams page. So once you've created your Flipgrid class, you're going to see here one of my classes in Flipgrid. I'm going to share the link. I can also share the join code. I'm going to share the link right here. And this is what I'm actually going to copy and paste into my Teams. You can also click on the Teams icon to share it. You can do it that way. I'm going to copy it for right now so that I can show you how to do it in Teams. So I'm going to minimize my window. I'm going to go over to my demo team account here. And under General, I'm going to click on the plus. Under the plus, it's going to pop up with a bunch of apps you can add. I'm going to choose Flipgrid. So in Flipgrid, it's going to ask if I want to add this to my channel or to my team. I'm going to say add. And then it's going to pop up with a window to ask me if I want to do it, post about the channel, about this tab, we can. And it's going to ask you to copy your URL. At this point, you can log in as an educator. You can create an account. I already created my account and my class. I'm just going to paste my actual class here. So it says we found it, click save to add it to your channel. Now, if you don't want to post to a channel about this tab, you don't have to. You can turn that off. But I'm simply going to hit save. And then when it goes back to my team, you're going to notice that I have at the very, very top a little tab that says Flipgrid. And it's going to say join with Google, join with Microsoft products. My students are on Microsoft products, so we're going to be doing Flipgrid that way. At the top, if I don't want to show the entire link to Flipgrid, if I click on the little down arrow, I can click on rename so it doesn't have that whole link there, and I can just call it Flipgrid and hit save. So when my students see it at the top, all they see is Flipgrid. You can use that to turn in assignments in Microsoft Teams, and it's a way to have everything integrated together. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. You can do the same thing with other apps. You simply hit the plus, and then you can add as many apps to your team as you want to.